Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can log out of your Top Wars account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log out of your Top Wars account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Top War application. The home page of Top War application will appear on the screen. Click on your profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, click on Account option. Now to log out of your Top Wars account, tap on Disconnect. Confirm logging out of your Top Wars account by tapping on OK. It will log you out of your Top Wars account in no time. This is how you can log out of your Top Wars account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.